Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be discussing the MagSafe battery case, or battery pack I should say, and we're going to discuss why this is actually quite important. Let's get into it. So let's start off with the basics. What is it? Well, the point of this battery pack is to allow you to give your iPhone a little top up, a little extra battery on top of the already great battery, supposedly great. And this was specifically made for iPhone 12 mini, I feel, and that's why it's not getting as great feedback on a 12. It can give your iPhone 12 mini 70 to 80% battery on top of what you already have. So when the iPhone goes low, all I have to do is stop the battery pack on the phone and it charges. That's it. Now that's great in concept, but what are the issues that surround this? Because obviously there's some issues. Now one of the issues that a lot of people have brought up is the fact that yes, there are other options. There are cheaper options. One of the things that really stands out about the MagSafe battery pack is the magnets, the MagSafe concepts. Now there's been companies that have done the MagSafe stuff already when it comes to battery packs, and to be honest they've done it really well, like Anker, Mophie, all those. They do a really well job. They do a great job. The issue with those is that a lot of people say is, okay, it's not official Apple, or you know, it's compromising in certain things, and yes, it might compromise in certain aspects, but for the most part it's actually really impressive. 5,000 milliamp hours for €30 is unbelievable. However, in the case of the Apple MagSafe battery pack, it's 3,000 milliamp hours for €100. You can understand why people are frustrated. Yes, I'd be frustrated as well, but that's why I didn't buy it. Also, just the fact that it doesn't work on older iPhones. Yes, it technically works as a Qi charger, but it's still not, still not the best thing since sliced pan. It's not everything we expected it to be, which is really unfortunate. It's great for its purpose. Apple wanted to make a battery pack. It's great. However, just the fact they have to charge it with Lightning, that you can't be on the iOS 15 beta if you want to use this thing, and that's just it. So if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, maybe share it with your friends because it helps out the channel, or join the Discord where you can continue the conversation further. My name is Connor, and I'll catch you next one.